using again business kind of concept, supply and demand, right? Where people are competing to get ahead, where there isn't as many financial opportunities if you don't have an education. Education is something everybody needs, right? So we have a great opportunity being native English speakers. Even if you don't want to spend your whole life as an English teacher, it's a foot in the door, it's a step on the ladder, okay? And there's teaching styles. So my style is to always let the students do the talking. I kind of see myself as a guide. And that's the kind of style you can take if you don't like talking too much. So I don't think that's a reason. In fact, that might be a reason to get into education. When I started teaching, I was quite shy. I wasn't a people's person. And I think it's actually being forced on a daily basis to speak to loads of different people that I wouldn't normally speak to, that actually helped me upskill. The brother said he wants to be of service to the ummah, and I think one of the best ways to be of service to the ummah is to educate, to teach, to spread knowledge. And the Prophet ﷺ was an educator, sallallahu alaihi wasallam. If you don't have a teaching qualification, you're just going to walk around, apply for jobs, no less than 500. And I know people who have earned up to $3,000 a month teaching in schools in Egypt. So that's in terms of salaries. And here, they're not good with email. So if you're going to rely on sending emails and waiting for responses, you're not going to get very far. You have to walk into the schools with a CV. They're gonna send you away at reception, and you have to just be persistent. If you get in the room with that headmaster, there's probably a 70% possibility you get a job, inshallah. Okay?